Are you a sports fan looking to create a poster to support your favorite team? Look no further. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Canva's easy to use design tools to create a sports poster that will be the perfect addition to your game day decor. Let's get started. Return to home page and select an A4 page or portrait poster from the template section. Place the player cutout in the appropriate size and position. Choose your favorite team and customize the color palette according to match the jersey or the team. Set the background color from the created palette. Add an overlay to give it a distinct look and feel. I recommend experimenting with new ones. You can leave it plain or add texture. In Sports World font, enter the jersey number to identify the player from a distance. To fill the background, add a rectangle behind the player and below the number, and make certain that color matches the number. Make a gradient to add depth. To draw attention to player's name, use font contrast with the same font like Barrow Condensed and its bold with italics version. Use contrasting colors such as black and white. With this, the tutorial comes to an end. Now, share your own makings with us on Instagram and tag us. Like or dislike the video to your liking and have a wonderful day. Thank you.